Hello, and welcome to my first Let's Play of the virtual Atari for DIG 3043. My name is Anastasia Papiwanu, and so today we're going to be playing a game selected from the A's, for the first letter of my first name, and then the only one I'm seeing the first letter of my last name is Asterix. So, Okay, well, I played with the buttons on Acid Drop for a while. I tried restarting, I tried all the settings, and I couldn't get it to stop doing that weird glitchy thing. So, instead, today we're going to be playing Asterix. So, this initially caught my eye because I recognized the name, and doing some background research, Asterix was published and developed by Atari in 1983. Steve Wojda was the one who designed the game. And so, actually, Asterix is interesting because it's actually called Taz in the American version. This is the European version. Taz in the American version is after the Looney Tunes, Taz, the character. And they had to change it for the European audience because the European audience didn't really understand Looney Tunes or didn't know what Looney Tunes were in 1983. So Asterix is actually very popular in France and all of Europe. It was is a French comic book, and the comic book has been around since 1959. So in the Taz version of the game, there's dynamite and hamburgers. Hamburgers are what you're trying to get, and dynamite's what you're trying to avoid. In this version, as you can kind of see, like flickering across the screen, are what appear to be pots, which are actually magic potions that the characters Asterix and his friends used in the comics to fight back against the Romans, and then lyres. And the lyres in this game are the things that you get hit by, and that cause damage, but it's interesting because in the comics, I guess, the worst thing that Asterix thought was an off-tune lyre, so that's what the enemy is in this game. But anyways, we're gonna get started with the game. So, as you can see, we're the little, guy. We're supposed to be Asterix, or one of the Vikings. And here, we're collecting the potions. So it's basic, not quite maze-like game, but you're going up and down the rungs and move side to side in order to get, the pots. If you get hit by a lyre, you get health deducted, and you have to restart. So this is just one of the basic, point collecting games that you saw that was really common throughout the Atari history, the golden age of arcades. Oops, excuse me. But yeah, so that's really it, though, to this game. There's not much else. Oh, it's cute at the bottom. The face turns when your character turns. Well, but now there's no more faces to show. Oh, well. So that's the basic premise of the game. So I think in terms of the game being unique, it's different in that there's no really pattern for a maze-like pattern that was really popular, especially popularized by Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man. So going up and down I think is pretty unique, and even the side to side. It's pretty standard, I think, for an arcade game of the time. It's supposed to be the small play sessions that you would get at a stand-up arcade. I really do like the simple mechanics. I think just going up and down is something engaging and you can do for a while, trying to rack up as many points as you can. But at the same time, I think the simple mechanics kind of hinder it. There's not much else to do other than just avoid obstacles and get as many potions as you can. But yeah, so this has been my Let's Play and review of Asterix by Atari. Thank you so much for watching.